What's up guys, MartyBlendz back with another tutorial, and today we're going to be going over a drop comb over, but before we go on, please make sure to subscribe and enjoy the video. First up, moisten up the hair and clip away the top. You now want to start off by using your trimmer and setting your first baseline, but take into consideration a drop should always be darker towards the occipital area. Remove all the hair underneath the baseline. To have a cleaner finish, shave off all the stubble left. Now with your clipper of choice, open up the lever without a guard and create a 1/2 inch guideline. Next, close it up fully and hit the same line halfway through, eventually opening up the lever as you go up. If you guys have any questions, please make sure to comment down below. Using the 1.5, go up about a full inch all around. Right after, clip the number 2 and flick out to reduce any harsh lines. With the lever halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. Open up the lever with the same guard and go up about another 1/2 inch. You now want to slap the number 1 and go up about a 1/2 inch higher. Guys, if you are wondering where to find these guards, make sure to visit MartyBlendz.com. With the 1.5, soften any dark line you see. Don't forget to clipper over comb the excess bulk to have a nice even blend all the way through. Now if you notice, I come back with the number 1 and the 1.5 to do touch-up work. This is because I'm being careful to keep the fade from moving up higher. Finally, with the lever open no guard, remove the last bottom baseline. Try using the corners and be careful when doing this step. And guys, the extra details put into the fade go a long way, and in some cases can be the reason some clients come back to the chair. Lineups are fairly simple. Start up in the middle and move your way to the sides patiently. In this case, I didn't do too much off the top, but I just trimmed off the little tips and used my blending shears to remove all bulk along the sides. This is a cut, and if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to drop a like and comment what y'all want to see next. Once again, I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out. Peace.